So what up guys, in today's video I don't have much to say, but this guy will explain what happened. So there we were, man. He was spray painting and man, I don't know how to explain it. After he spray painted everything, after we edited the video, I found out that some of the footage is corrupt, man. So I had to start over and apologize to you guys as I am right now. We are apologizing since we are the same person, but I lost the video, man, and I'm so sad, but it's fine because right now we can continue with the video. Let's go. Yeah. These are the pencils that I'm gonna use for this drawing, and let me show you something. I made this drawing the other time I was a little bit bored, so I made this drawing and it looks a little bit better than this one. So I thought, why don't I make another drawing of a bird, because birds are the animals that have moist colors, so they will help me to blend and mix colors. So I thought, let's do this one and then just, you know what, and just try to figure out colored pencils, and I think I figured them out. And then let's do this one to see if that I've gotten it, I'm gonna get it right again. So let's go. So I'm gonna lighten this a little bit with an eraser because the pencil looks a little bit darker, so it's gonna show through the pencils. So let's go.